morning. My name is Jessica and I'm the programmer at the Morinville Community Library. So today is just a little video just telling you about one of our programs that we have for the end of this month. So on January 21st, we actually have a DIY snow globe workshop that we're going to be doing. So it is on January 21st from 1 to 3, and it's for ages 9 to 12. So all of the materials that you see here will be provided for you. We also do have hot chocolate as well. And you can just come in and make your little snow globe and you can just leave. It's always nice to have kids come in and chat with each other and make new friends, stuff like that. So yeah, if you are at all interested, there will be a sign-up sheet on our website, www.morinvillelibrary.ca, and just go to the little program option at the top banner and sign up. And like I said, it's on January 21st from 1 to 3 p.m. and we hope to see you there. Thanks so much.